welcome back to Big Little Minds. Today we're going to learn Happy Birthday, Balloon, and Cake. We're making this video today because it's my grandpa's birthday and also Emily's. First I'm going to begin with Balloon. Balloon is 气球 in Mandarin Chinese. 气 means air and 球 means bowl. Can you say 气球, Emily? 气球. That's right. Can you try? You can use balloon in lots of different ways. Like 红色气球, which is red balloon. You could do 蓝色气球, which is blue balloon. And you could do 白色气球, which is white balloon. Next, we're going to learn cake. Everyone loves cakes. Cake is...
That's really funny.
Cake is 蛋糕. Can you say 蛋糕, Emily?
蛋糕.
That's right. Can you try? Yeah.
生日快乐.
That's right, Emily. Next, we're going to learn Happy Birthday. 生日 means birthday. 快乐 means happy. So when we put those all together, it's 生日快乐. Next time you have a family member's birthday or maybe friends, you could say 生日快乐. Happy birthday. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button and like. Thank you. Alright, Emily, let's say 生日快乐, Grandpa, okay?
Yeah.
Ready, set, 生日